The supplies you need are a piece of paper, a pen, scissors, an old towel or washcloth, clothing scraps or fabric, and a sewing needle and string. To begin, draw the shape you want on a piece of paper and cut it out. Use the paper you cut out as a stencil and cut 2 pieces of fabric fitting that same shape. Then cut a piece of the towel to the size of the center of the pad. Set one of the pieces aside and sew the towel to the other pad. Flip the pad over so the towel is face down and set the other pad on top of that side. And now sew the 2 pieces together, leaving one of the side flaps unsewed and open. Now flip the pad inside by putting your fingers through the open side, and then you can sew the open side once you are finished. Lastly, sew the button to one of the flaps and cut a slit in the other one for the button to go through. Now you have a zero waste and reusable pad.